Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will see a question based on section of solids, section of a pentagonal pyramid when section plane is perpendicular to horizontal plane and inclined to vertical plane. Question is, a pentagonal pyramid with edge of base 25 mm and axis 65 mm long is resting on HP on its base with an edge nearer to the observer parallel to VP. It is cut by a section plane inclined at 60 degrees to VP and at a distance of 6 mm from the axis. Draw the projection and obtain the true shape of section. Now, since it's a pentagonal pyramid, draw a reference line, draw a pentagon with in such a way that one base edge is nearer to the observer. That means it is away from the VP. So you want to draw a pentagon like this. So draw a pentagon of 25 mm base edge with one base edge parallel and away from VP, nearer to observer. Name that pentagon as A, B, C, D, E. Do the dimension. Draw the slant lines, that is locate the apex or centroid. To locate the centroid of a pentagon, draw a line from the one corner to opposite line midpoint, another corner to opposite line midpoint. That those two lines will meet here. So that is the apex. After getting that apex, you erase the part of that line which is to the center of the line. So that is to the edge. Only you need to draw 5 lines from 5 corners. So after getting that apex, connect that apex to all 5 corners and erase all the unwanted lines. Name that point as O. Now project all those points to the reference line. Name it as A dash, B dash, E dash, C dash and D dash. And since height of the object is 65 mm, mark 65 mm from here using a chain line, and that is O dash. Now do the dimension here 65. Connect all those points to the apex O dash. That is O dash, A dash, O dash, B dash, etc. Now it is given that the section plane is inclined at 60 degrees to VP. So since it is inclined to VP, it is perpendicular to HP. So, and it is given that it is at a distance of 6 mm from axis. So from here you draw a circle of radius 6 mm like this. Use a thin line to represent that circle. Now the section plane is inclined at 60 degrees to VP. So that means you want to draw a line tangent to this circle at 60 degrees like this. Now section plane you want to use a continuous line, 2 dot lines and a continuous line. Now after drawing that, this portion is removed. So that part of that hexagon should be that pentagon should be dotted thin lines, thin soft lines, because it is removed portion. So this much portion you can reduce the thickness or darkness, and it should be a thin line. Now name those points as 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the meeting point of the section plane with the different lines. You have 4 points and name it as accordingly 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now project all those points to the corresponding line. So the point 1 is on the line BC, that is base. So project 1 to the line base. Then 2 is on the line OC. So project 2 to the line O dash, C dash. Now the point of 3 is on the line OD. The project the point 3 to the line O dash, D dash. 4 is on the line on the base line, that is DE. So project the point 4 to the base. So you'll get 1 dash, 2 dash here, 3 dash and 4 dash. Now connect that using a continuous line like this, dark line. Name it 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and darken that line. Now the part of the line, that of the part of the this line which is coming inside inside this curve should be thin line. So because it is a removed portion, so whatever is coming inside this one should be thin line. So now you can, if you want, you can erase those portion, whatever coming inside that, and you can hatch that at 45 degrees with this reference line. Now to draw the true shape of section, you have, this is a section plane. Draw another plane parallel to this line, keeping some distance from here, away from some distance from here. Draw a line like this. Now through all these points you draw lines perpendicular to the 60 degree line. We have 4 points here, 1, 2, 3, 4. From all those 4 points you draw lines perpendicular to this section plane like this, and this line should be parallel to this section plane. Now one is on the same line, one is on the baseline, so mark 1 here. distance from here to 2 dash, that distance you mark corresponding to 2, this is the distance. So distance from here to 2 dash distance you mark from here to here. Distance from axis to 3 dash, this shortest distance, axis to 3 dash. So that distance, this is 3, and from here to here you want to mark that distance. Distance from here to 3 dash you mark here to here. So the point 4 is on the same line, baseline, so mark 4 dash here. So these are the points 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Connect that using a continuous line, dark line. Hatch that portion at 45 degrees with this section plane like this. This angle should be 45 degrees with this line, this section. You want to keep equal distance between the section, between the hatching lines. Also it should be at 45 degrees with this 60 degree line. So this is how you draw a sectional view of a pentagonal pyramid when the section plane is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video. Thank you very much.